Hi, Move to Read here again, and we are going to talk about blends. What is a blend? A blend is two or three consonants put together that are commonly used in a number of words. They still make their own individual sounds. They don't make a new sound like H-controlled or digraphs or vowel teams, but they are used in a ton of words, and so that's why we kind of have kids start recognizing them so that they can just go, oh, I know what those two say together. But really, like in the blend B-L, you would still say the B and the O, but you would say them maybe a little faster. Bowl. Or if I had C-L, that would be coal. You can, if you slow it down, you can still hear the k and the o, which is what a blend is they still say their original sounds, but you just kind of say them a little faster. So coal. So say the word collap. Coal-app. Okay, so we're just gonna run through the most common ones pretty fast. If we did PL, that would be pull. FL, full. Whoops. SL, soul. GL, goal. Now we're going to do the R blends. B, R, burr. C, R, cur. G, R, gur. D, R, dur. T, R, tur. F, R, fur. Look at that. Made my F a little too long. F-R, fur. P-R, purr. Now we're going to do the ones that start with an S, and there are quite a few of them. In the S, we also have three letters put together that will make up a blend. Remember, they keep their own sounds. They're just common in a lot of words. So we have S-M, sm. S-C, sk. Then we have another one that says exactly the same thing, S-K, sk. So both C and K are used next to S. S-N, sn, like in snack. Who doesn't like a snack? S-P, sp. S-T, st, st, like still. You kind of slam it together, still. S-W, su. Those two blend in a little bit better than the S-T. Now we have our three-letter S blends. S-P-R, spur. If you slow it down, you'll hear each sound. S-P-R, spur. S-P-L, spool. S-C-R, skr. And the last of the most common blends that are S, start with an S, S-T-R, stir. Now there's two more common blends. There are more than this. These are beginning of word blends, but we're just going to practice those. T-W, like in the word twin. There's a lot of words that start with T-W. Tw. And then my most favorite, Q-U. And like in one of the other videos that I just recently posted, we talked a lot about Q-U. In this case, it says the qua sound. But Q in English can never be without U. Q and U have to travel together. But U is not a vowel when it's next to a Q. It doesn't have a vowel sound. It will never be a vowel when it is next to Q. Like in the word queen, we have the double E being the vowel team. It is not the U. So when you're reading words that are Q-U, do not try to put one of the U sounds to it, because in this case, U does not say anything because it is not a vowel. Have a great day.